Hi there, Corey here from Life Mechanical. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do a basic solder joint today. This one's on me for free, a little bit of history of a plumber. So basically we got a couple copper fittings. We're going to clean them with some basic emery cloth, inside, outside. So clean the inside of the female fitting here, like so. Take our pipe where we want to also solder onto. We're going to clean it. Basically take all the oxidation off the copper, really get it nice and clean here. So help you get a really good solder joint, help the solder flow into it. Provide a good seal. Now we have an acid-base flux soldering paste, medium. A little bit of that on the brush. Pipe dope inside and outside. Put that together. You're going to want to get some solder. This is 95.5, lead-free. And we're going to do a little bit of a soldering joint connection here for you. So you want to apply the heat to the near midsection of the fitting or towards the end. From the bottom. And that's that.